Evidence-based medicine sounds like a great thing, and I certainly don't have anything against scientific research. The problem is, the kinds of trials the mainstream relies on as evidence are basically rigged. Pharmaceutical companies fund most of the research, so in essence, they're manufacturing the evidence and the solution. Then doctors are forced to follow these proven protocols or risk being sued for malpractice. So Big Pharma wins both ways. Back in 2007, the US government tried to deal with this lack of transparency by creating the website clinicaltrials.gov and requiring all clinical trials to register when a study first begins. All results were to be published after 1 year, regardless of the study outcome, and researchers who didn't comply were supposed to face stiff fines. This is all good in theory, but what's really happened over the last few decades is a whole different story. The New England Journal of Medicine did a thorough search of the clinicaltrials.gov website in early 2015 to see how many trials were being reported within the 1-year deadline. Astoundingly, they found only 17% of trials funded by drug companies were published. And guess how many times the FDA has put the hammer down on these offenders? The long and short of this mess is most of the new drugs on the market today are likely to have a few skeletons rattling around in their closets. It's anyone's guess how many. So it's quite possible your doctor only knows part of the story about the new drug he is prescribing for you. That's why on the rare occasions when I do prescribe drugs, I always opt for ones that have been around for a long time. Not only have older drugs have gone through more clinical trials, but they've also stood the test of time in terms of patient safety. If your doctor prescribes a new drug, ask if you can try an older one first. Till next time, I'm Dr. Fred.